Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to resize a document to artwork in Affinity Designer. This is incredibly useful when you need to adjust your canvas size to perfectly match your design elements, eliminating any unwanted white space or ensuring your export dimensions are exactly what you need. First things first, launch Affinity Designer on your computer. Once the application opens, go ahead and open your existing file or create a new file to work with. Now that you have your project open, direct your attention to the left sidebar where you'll find the Move tool. Click on it, then highlight the image or text that you want to resize. This tool is essential as it allows you to select and manipulate specific elements within your design. With your artwork selected, navigate to the upper left corner of the screen and click on File. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Export. This opens up the export settings window where you can fine-tune how your artwork will be saved. Here's where the resizing magic happens. In the export window, locate the width field. Adjust this value based on your preferences or the specific dimensions you need for your project. Next, move down to the height field and do the same, adjusting it to match your desired output size. These settings give you precise control over your final artwork dimensions. Now look for the area option. Click the drop-down menu right beside it and select Selection Only. This ensures that only the highlighted artwork you selected earlier will be included in the export, rather than the entire canvas. After making this selection, click Export to proceed. Your file browser will now open. Navigate through your folders and select the destination where you want to save your resized artwork. If needed, take a moment to rename the file so it's easy to identify later. Once you're satisfied with the location and file name, click Save. Alternatively, there's another method you can use directly within the document settings. In the upper left toolbar, click on Document Setup. This opens a different set of controls for resizing. Navigate to the width field and adjust it based on your preferences, just as before. Then move to the height field and make your adjustments there as well. After setting your dimensions, locate the option labeled Anchor to Page. Click the circle beside it to enable this feature, which helps position your artwork precisely on the canvas. Finally, click OK to apply all your changes. And there you have it. You've successfully resized your document to match your artwork in Affinity Designer using two different methods. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.